In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Trello board. Welcome. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or someone just getting started, exporting information from your Trello boards can be a vital tool for sharing or archiving your work. So, let's dive into the process step by step without further ado. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Head over to Trello.com in your web browser and enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but for today we're assuming you already have access. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello homepage, where you can see all the boards you're a part of. The next step in the process is to navigate to the board you want to export. You can do this easily from your homepage. Just scroll until you find the board you're interested in, or type the board name in the search bar if you have many boards and need to find it quickly. Once you open the specific board, you'll see all your lists and cards laid out, ready to be exported. To initiate the export process, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 horizontal dots, commonly referred to as the More menu. Go ahead and click on those dots, which will open up a drop-down menu with several options listed. This menu is your gateway to exporting your board. From the drop-down, you'll need to select the option that reads Print, Export and Share. Clicking on this will reveal further options related to how you can handle your board data, one of which is exporting. The feature we need is nestled right in here. In this next step, you have the freedom to choose your preferred export format. One of the most common formats is CSV, which stands for comma separated values. This option is useful if you want to organize or analyze your data using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Select the CSV format and Trello will quickly process your export request. Finally, once Trello has processed everything, it will provide a file for you to download directly to your device. This file serves as a backup or a shareable piece of your board's information. All you need to do is click the download link and you'll have your board's data saved locally. And that's it. These steps will help you easily export any Trello board you might be working on. I hope this guide was simple to follow and beneficial for your Trello projects. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to export more boards, and thanks for watching. Happy Trelloing!